Hi.
Hi,
Hi, Sangyun. Welcome to Listen and Speak. How are you today?
I'm good.
Oh, you're good. Did you go somewhere today? What did you
Mm,
do today?
mm,
Did you go to school?
yes,
How can you say I went to school today?
I went to school today.
Oh, that's great. What did you do at school?
Mm,
Did you write something? Did you read something? Did you play something?
mm, I mm,
Maybe you write something or you read something at school today?
I learned math.
Okay. Okay. So that's it. I'm very happy that you did enjoy your day, even at school. Okay. So let's
Okay.
go and start our class. Are you ready, Sungyun?
Yes.
Okay. I am happy that you're ready. So here we will talk about our new story. Ooh, our dog soldier. But before we go there, we will do a review, okay, of our last story. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go and review our previous story using this summary. Can you help me? The girl wants
The girl wants a blue bicycle, so she plans to uh, earn
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 money.
earn money. She will buy
No,
sell lemonade.
she will sell
Will also walk dogs, and she will play with little children.
children.
She will do all
All the
two jobs,
jobs. Oh, all.
all the jobs.
All the jobs. Look. She will sell lemonade. She will walk dogs. She will play with little children. So all the jobs. So you did great here. Thank you, Sunyoon. It's time to look here. Okay, these are examples of words with two meanings. Okay, so here the first one. Look, what do you think is the first one here? This one and this one.
Cool.
Cool, very good. So, cool has two meanings, okay? Cool
Okay,
can be something you feel. The air is cool. Ooh, wow. Okay, and the other one, you say cool if you like it. That's cool. Okay, you say that's cool if you like it. So, we have two meanings for the word cool. Okay,
okay.
next one we have
Table.
table. Table has two meanings as well. Table. What do you do here? What do you put in the table?
Mm, mm,
You put food, right?
oh,
Yes, you eat on a table. Can you say it? I eat on a table.
I eat on a table.
But here, below, we also have another kind of table. Here, this table is what we use to list something important, okay? You
Okay.
use table to list information that you want to keep. Like your timeline. What do you do on Monday? What do you do on Wednesday? You can make a table out of that. Next one we have.
Um,
What's next?
Glasses.
Glasses. Also, glasses has two meanings. Okay? Glasses is something we wear, like this one. We have glasses, right? Teacher Anna and Sung do you have glasses?
Yes.
Yes, can you say, this is my glasses?
This, this is my glasses.
Very good. And another one, we also use glass. This one, I want to show you my big glass. Can you see? Ooh, this is my glass. Glass of water. So aside from something you wear to protect your eyes, we also have glasses where you put your drinks. Okay?
Okay.
Do you have glasses at home?
Mm,
Do you have
yes.
glasses at home? Yes, that's good. How about the next word? What's the
Mm,
next word?
mm, play.
Play. Play has two meanings. Okay, the first one is when you play sports or games. What do you like to play, Songyun?
Play soccer.
Can you say, I like to?
I like to play soccer.
I like to play soccer. How about here?
Mm,
Play is another word that we use when you do instruments. Okay, musical instruments. Like you can say, I play the piano. I play the drums. What instrument can you play, Sungin?
I played a piano.
Oh, okay. Say, I play the piano.
I played a piano.
Okay, say, I play the piano.
I played the piano.
Very good. I hope I can hear you someday play the piano. I think that would be nice. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. You got all of the correct words. Now we are ready to start with our new lesson. Oh, look. What can you see here?
Mm, dog,
It's a big,
big dog.
it's a big dog. Very big dog. Okay, so now we will talk about our dog Soldier.
Our dog, shoulder.
Very good. Let's see. So what can you say about the dog in the picture?
The dog is um, tall.
Short or tall? Yes, the dog is very tall actually. Do you like a tall dog
Mm,
or you want a
um,
small dog?
I want a small dog.
Yes, because tall dogs sometimes they are scary. I understand. Now let's go and learn something new here. Oh, look, we will talk about this kind of dog. It's an Irish Wolfhound. Can you say it?
I rush wolf dog.
Hound. Again, Irish Wolfhound.
I wish wolf dog count.
Wolfhound.
Wolf
Hound.
hound.
Very good.
Hound.
Wolfhound.
Wolfhound.
Very nice. That is Wolfhound. Good work. How about we try the next one here? Because we can't watch this video right now. We will go here and learn some new words. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can you please help me? Can you please read these words here? The first word is
Strange.
stranger. Can you say it?
Stranger.
Stranger. Very good. How about the next one?
Visit.
Visit. That is correct. How about the next one?
Mm,
Bark.
guard.
Bark.
Bark.
How about this one?
Mm, down.
Guard.
Guard.
How about this one?
Soldier.
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 And this one?
Like.
Lick.
Lick.
Again?
Mm, Lick.
Very good. Now let's go and learn these words, okay? The first
Okay.
one here, what is this?
Mm, Pond.
Okay, what are the missing letters?
Mm,
It's U
U
and D.
D.
Very good. U and D, guard. So when we say guard, so yun, someone who keeps a place safe. Okay? So when you're in
Okay.
the mall, you have a guard. Do you have a guard at school?
Mm,
Do you have a guard at school? In Songyun school, do you have a guard? Songyun, do you have a guard at your school?
oh,
Oh no. Okay. This one.
yes.
Okay, so guard keeps your school safe. Okay? It keeps
Okay.
you and your classmates and your friends, also your teachers, safe from bad people. How about number two?
Stranger.
Stranger. So can you help me? It's S.
S N G.
Very good. Stranger. Very nice. That's very nice. Now I want you to look here in the picture. Okay? So when we say
Okay.
stranger, someone that you don't know. Okay? So I will ask Songyun. Songyun, will you go to a stranger?
Mm,
Will you go and talk to a stranger?
mm,
Do you want to talk to a stranger?
no.
No. So when it's a stranger, you don't know this person, you need to be careful. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next one we have
Dark.
Bart. Can you help me?
A K.
A and K. So bark is how dogs make sounds. Okay? They bark.
Okay.
The dog can bark. Can you say it?
Mm,
The dog can bark.
okay. Bark.
Very good. The dog can bark. How about number four? Can you help me with number four? Number four?
So sober.
Soldier.
Soldier.
Soldier. Can you help me spell it?
S D R.
Okay. Soldier. So soldier is someone who works to protect our country. Okay? They
Okay.
make our country safe. Do you have soldiers in Korea?
Mm,
Do you have soldiers in your country?
yes.
Yes, that's great. Also, here in our country, we also have soldiers. So, soldiers are very brave people. How about number five?
Mm, Widget.
Visit. Can you help me?
Mm, I
And,
N and S.
okay, visit. Visit means you go to someone's house. Okay? You go
Okay.
to someone's place, like you visit your grandmother, you can also visit your grandfather, you can visit your friends. Visit, okay?
Okay.
Do you visit your grandfather or grandmother?
Yes.
Oh, can you say it? I visit my grandparents.
I visit my grandparents.
Oh, wow. How about number six? Number six, we have
Lick.
lick. Can you help me?
Mm, I I and C.
I see. Very good. So look here, you can see when animals, okay, like dogs use their tongue to like touch your body or face, like play with you, they lick. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So now we are done with these words. One, two, three, four, five, six. That is super nice. It's now time to complete this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, can
The
you help me?
the toy.
What are they?
Mm,
Toy firefighters? Toy doctors? Or toy soldiers?
mm,
They are so
oh,
toy
so
soldiers.
brothers.
Okay. Can you read it? Number one.
The toy soldiers are working.
How about number two? What is the dog doing?
Mm, Our dog barks
Very good.
when it is excited.
Okay. How about number three?
We're, we're going to visit my grandparents.
Wow, this is. So you got all of the sentences correctly. That is amazing. How about we try to read our story for tonight? Okay? It's
Okay.
all about our dog soldier. Let's read.
Our dog Sardar.
Very good.
That was that was a big dog. It will
Guard.
guard guard the house. When a stranger comes, it will bark, says Dad.
Okay, so I will have a question for Songyun. So what kind of dog does dad want? Does dad want a small dog or a big dog?
Big dog.
Okay, say dad wants a big dog.
Dad wants a big dog.
Okay, so dad wants a big dog so it can guard.
Guard the house.
Yes, okay. So they want, or he wanted a big dog so a dog can guard the house. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now let's go here. He buys
Buys a dog. A big, big dog.
a big,
It
big dog. It
is
is an
an Irish wolf,
Irish wolfhound.
wolfhound. It stands on its back legs. It is 7 feet tall.
Tall.
7 feet tall. It is taller than that.
Okay, let's stop there. Okay? So
Okay.
dad buys a dog. What kind of dog?
Mm, A big dog.
Okay, what is the that kind of dog? What is that big dog? It's an
It's the Irish
Irish wolfhound.
Irish wolfhound.
Okay, so it's very short or tall?
Mm,
Is it very short or tall?
Tall dog
Yes, can say it's a very tall dog.
is a very tall dog.
How tall? How tall is the dog?
Mm,
How tall is the dog?
mm, how it
Yeah, how
is a
tall?
7
It is 7.
feet tall.
Okay, again, I'll ask you, how tall is the dog?
Mm, it is a 7 feet tall.
Okay. It is even taller than that. Taller than me too. It's very tall. It's 7 feet. Oh no. Now let's go here. There were
There were wishes word
Irish
found. I wish word found the
2000,
uh,
2000
2,000 years old.
ago.
Says that they were hunting dog. This dog will be great
Guard?
guard guard dog. I will name him Sardar.
Oh, okay. So dad really wanted this kind of dogs. Okay, he wanted the Irish Wolfhound because it
Mm,
can be a
Great bird dog.
yes, he believes it will be a great guard dog. What is the dog's name?
Um, Dog's name is Sardar.
Okay, they named the dog Soldier. So let's see what happened next. Oh no, look! Soldier is very tall. He's a very tall dog. And he looks not scary, but super friendly. Let's see here. A stranger
A stranger visits our house. Does a server bark?
soldier,
Dark?
not soldier. Soldier.
Soldier?
Bark?
Dark?
Does
Bark?
he?
Does he guard the house? No, he likes the stranger's hand. He lies on his bed. He is friendly. Sordar is a terrible
Terrible
guard
guard dog.
dog.
Okay, look. Oh no. So there is a stranger. So this is soldier and the stranger, but soldier is very friendly. Okay? He is very
Okay.
friendly with the stranger. He didn't bark. What did he do? He he licks. He say he
Mm,
licks.
He licks the stranger's hand.
Yes, and he lies on his back. He's playing. He's playing with the stranger. So what can you say? Soldier is
Soldier is friendly.
Soldier is friendly. He is not a good guard dog because he's very friendly. Now let's go here. Okay? Let's
Okay.
answer questions about the story. Just tell me if it's a yes or no. Number one,
Is the rice worse found taller than that?
is the dog
Yes.
taller than dad? Yes, the dog is taller than dad. How about number two?
Does this mm,
Irish Wolfhound.
also dark at the stranger?
Did he bark to the stranger?
Uh,
Did he
no.
bark? No, because he is very friendly. Soldier didn't bark. Okay, these are great answers, Sungyeon. It's now time to try and test if you remember about something about the story. Let's start with this one. What is the story all about?
This is a story is about a dead guard dog.
A bad guard dog. Can you say it?
A bad guard dog.
Yes, it's a bad guard dog, but it's a nice dog because it is very friendly. Okay. How about we do number one down here? Dad wants.
That wants a dog to guard the house.
Yes, he wants a dog to guard the house. How about number two?
Mm. What does the family name their Rishi? were found.
What's
Mm,
the name?
Uh,
What's the name?
third,
Soul
third door.
soldier. How do we say that? So the family, can you say it? A family
Family
named
named
their dog
Sir.
Soldier. Let's say it. Let's say it again. The
The
family.
family, the family named their dog Sir,
Okay, how about number three?
which is not correct about I, she were found.
Okay, we're looking for something that is not correct about Irish Wolfhound, something that is not true.
They are smaller than a child.
Yes, this is not true because they are very big kinds of dogs, very tall dogs, not very small. Now we are done with this and you did so nice. Thank you, Sanyun. It's now time to try this one. Okay? So you
Okay,
will tell me if it's opinion or fact. Okay? So Teacher Anna, what
okay,
is opinion? So when we say opinion, something that is personal. Okay? Your opinion, your thought, your idea. Okay?
okay,
Opinion. And you will say fact if it's true. Okay?
okay.
Okay. Now let's go to number one. Irish Wolfhounds.
Irish wolfhounds are very tall.
Is that opinion or fact?
Um, it is strange.
Oh, is it opinion or fact?
Mhm.
So remember, when we say opinion, it's personal. Let me show you again. Opinion or fact. So when we say opinion, it's personal. Okay? So what do
Okay.
you think is this? Irish wolfhounds are very tall. Is it opinion or fact?
Mm, so,
O or F?
F.
Very good. It's fact. It is F. How about number two?
Irish wolfhounds can be great guard dog.
Is that F or O?
Mm, O.
Very good. Because sometimes they are very friendly, like the ones in the story. How about number three?
Irish wolfhounds were hunting dogs.
Irish Wolfhound were hunting dogs. Is that F or O?
Mm, mm,
They were hunting dogs. F or O?
F.
Yes,
F.
good job. That is F. Wow. So you got all of the correct answers here. You did nice. So we are already done for tonight. Okay, you did so good. We will continue our lesson next meeting. Okay? So
Okay.
next meeting, we'll do the summary as a review, another activity here, and we will talk about who loves sun. We will talk about sunflowers. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so that's it. That's it for tonight. You did so nice. Thank you very much, Sungyun. I'll give you some hearts because you did a wonderful job tonight. This is for you. I'll just wait for a second. This is for you, Sungyun. Goodbye and have a great night, okay? Bye bye.
Bye.